how to redeem Roblox codes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem Roblox gift cards to get Robux. What you need to do is you'll need to go to your Chrome or any other browser and then search for redeem Roblox. And then just tap on the first link. Now, here you can see there is option to put in the code. So you will need to you'll need to put in the code on your Roblox gift card, the virtual item, or you can put in the promo code as well. And just tap on redeem. So it's as simple as that to redeem codes on Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.